I've watched our guys set up and break down jobs in under 5 minutes, you know, on a 4 or 5 color job coming out and a 4 or 5 color job coming in. I'm Will Glennie. I'm a co-founder of Kastlfel. When we started that brand about 8 years ago, it was tough for us to get our heads around it because we were new. You know, we did not know screen printing. We quickly found out why. The ROQ equipment is really approachable. Being somebody who had no experience with it, I was blown away at how quickly you could set up a job, get it in registration, and then run it and stay in registration, and how critical that was to daily production. And I would say that the techniques we've learned from grading the ROQ equipment has allowed us to really expand. We're running anywhere from 10 to 12,000 pieces a day on 4 ROQ autos.